Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off switch control on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and then in here tap on accessibility, then scroll down and tap on switch control. At the top, tap on the switch control toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now when you switch it off, it asks you, are you sure? Just tap on yes to confirm. And it said that switch control allows you to use your iPhone by sequentially highlighting items on the screen that can be activated through an adaptive accessory. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.